Now I will show you how to use the energy of the bike in your screen. By pressing the power button, you will start the screen. Then by clicking one time on the power button, you will see the light will come up to get easier to see the screen during night rides. First thing in the middle, you got your speed in k's per hour. Then on the right top corner, you got the PAS, which is your level of assistance. Now it's at 0. It means that when you're riding the bike, there's no power that will assist you during that ride. If you press the plus button, you will be on level of assistance number 1. That means when you're pedaling, the bike's gonna assist you to the speed of 10 k's per hour. Level 2, by pressing the plus again, the bike, by pedaling, will assist you to get to the speed of 15 k's per hour. And then by pressing plus again, we get to level 3. It's gonna get you to the speed of 20 k's per hour. 4 is 25, and 5 is 32, which is the limit of the speed of the bike. Then we go on the other corner, you got the odometer, and by pressing the set button, you will see the little arrow going down to trip and time. So odometer is calculating the whole kilometers you're doing with your bike. Trip, you can put it back to 0 by pressing plus and minus until it goes back to 0. And that's calculating everyday rides. And then you can go on time, which is calculating the time you're using the bike. And then on the other corner, you got the BMS with a volt number, which represent the energy into your battery. We suggest to charge the battery before it goes below 42 volts. And then it's gonna go up to 53 and 54 volts. And we got the throttle on the left side here. So difference is, even if you're on PAS number 5, 4, or 1, the only thing you need to do is if you press a little bit onto your throttle, it's gonna go on low speed. If you go half speed, it's gonna go halfway. If you go full speed, it's gonna be full speed. That's how to use the throttle. To turn off the bike, you press the power button and the screen's gonna go down. So now let's see how to use the cruise control. So you need to put yourself on any level of assistance. It can be 1 to 5. And then you're gonna need to use the throttle, get the speed you like. So if it's 10 k's per hour, we need to be stable there. And then you're gonna press the minus button. For about 3 seconds, you're gonna see a C appearing on the right top corner. As soon as the C appears, release your throttle and the bike is on the cruise control. Just by pressing one brake, the sensor is going to release the power and the bike stops. Then you got the brakes. So inside the brakes, there's a sensor. It's the shut-off sensor. So as soon as you press one of these brakes, the power is going to go out of the bike. So no energy anymore. Safe way to stop the bike. On front, you got your light. So there's a button over it. You can just press on it. You got your first light. You press again, just higher, and then flashing. 4 times you press, that's going to stop the light. On the back side, you got the button over the light. Just press on it, that's gonna light up. Press on it again, that's gonna close up. Then if we go to the battery, when you purchase your bike, you're gonna receive the keys onto the handlebars. Take them off. You got 4 spare keys. Just get your keys inside the lock. You turn it. You can grab the battery and get it out of the bike. Then pretty easily. You can put the battery inside the frame again. Just start with the connectors at the bottom, and then you want to hear the click when you grab the battery. It's clicked in. You can get the keys out of the bike. These are only used to get the battery out of the bike. So I got the charger out of the box. You're gonna have 2 cables. You put the connector cable inside there. Then let's go to the bike. You're gonna release the rubber cover. You can plug in your cable fully through there. And then you're gonna see on the charger, there's gonna be a green light at the start, and then a red light's gonna appear. Red light means it's charging. So as soon as it's fully charged, the green light is gonna come up again. You can actually charge the battery out of the bike if you want. So either way, you can do it.